One honest review, if you saw on, AliExpress or Temu or stuff like that, these sets, buy them. They are fucking great. I mean, I don't know anything that come in the last years that so positively influence on my work on wires. Either you can use flame. I recommend that you use the heat gun, as it will damage less this plastic around it. But if you are on road, you can use lighter, something like that. And it's so simple, you have put the wire so it go through this ring of solder, and from the other side do the same with the second wire. Just be sure that both wires are in there. And that isolation of the wire go through these rings that you have here, and then just start the heat gun, and it will heat shrink, and the solder, and you will see it when it melts. That's it. You just soldered two wires, and the connection is super tight. The water cannot go in, and I really recommend this box, and it's a couple of euros for 100 of them, so I use them a lot.